How to find good research paper topics, easy tips.
Brainstorm ideas. Write down your topic of interest and choose the best one that gets along with the present trends.
Have prior knowledge. Ensure to select a topic with prior knowledge to write better facts and be more presentable.
Look for source information. Choose a research paper topic on which you can get enough information on the web.
Narrow your topic. Don't choose broad topics as they're hard to research, rather choose more precise ones.
Make a list of keywords. Note down the related keywords and add them to the research paper to make it easy to understand. Thank you for watching. For more, www.homeworkminutes.com.